Hi, my dear students. Hope you are doing well. Our lecture series regarding trigonometry is continue. So hope you are enjoying these questions. So now we are on question 8. You can find the other lectures as I gave the. You can see my whole lecture series. I will just give the link description at the end. So let's solve this question. Let me write the solution. This is basically proof question 8. So for this, it's better if we will take the left hand side here. So let me here left hand side, and then I will write here sine theta plus cos theta. It already listened that basically the proof question for the rules of checking the question will be wrong until it gonna prove. Okay, so be careful. So we just open the square here, a plus b whole square. So let me write here a square plus 2ab like this, and then plus b square. So you know this sine square theta plus cos square theta, that will be equal to 1 plus the remaining 2 sine theta and cos theta. So when you see this, this is the basic formula of, you know, this formula. Okay, let me write here. Uh, Sine 2 alpha is equal to 2 sine alpha cos alpha. Okay, so now we'll just close this formula 2 sine alpha. So 2 sine theta cos theta, that will be sine 2 theta. So when you see the right hand side, that's gonna prove. So I hope you understand. So let's move toward the next question of this exercise. So this question is in front of us, sine 2x equal to 1 minus tan x minus 1. You know that the right side is a little big comparatively the left side, so it's easy to solve this question from right hand side. So let me write here 1 minus tan x minus 1 plus 1 plus tan x like this. Okay, so when there is negative sign, two fractions are there, so hopefully we will take the LCM. Okay, in all the question, when the situation become like this, two fraction in between, the operation will be positive or negative. Okay, so we'll take the LCM. So minus minus will cancel, only plus bracket will remain, will multiply with 1 and remain as it is 1 plus tan x. So negative, so there is negative sign. Okay, so let put the bracket here. So be careful about negative. Mostly students do this mistake. Okay, so positive positive cancel, the negative will come over here 1 minus tan x. Okay, now we'll just open the bracket here 1 plus tan x minus 1 plus tan x over, when you see at down, so 1 minus tan x 1 plus tan x. So you know this formula. So let me write here a plus b and a minus b, that gonna be a square minus b square. Okay, so now 1 square minus tan square x. Okay, so this one positive and this is negative, this will be cancelled out, and both tan are in the positive sign, then 2 tan x by 1, the 1 square will be 1 minus tan square x. So you know this formula, to tan x or 1 minus tan square x, that must be equal to tan 2x. Okay, so this is equal to left hand side. So I hope you understand the second part of the question. So now move toward the third part. The third part is in front of us. Uh, when you see the third part, this is an important question because here is half angle and here is not, here is a simple angle. Okay, so these type of question are important question, a little tricky. I will not use the word complex or difficult, a little more tricky. So let's take the left hand side or right hand side. Okay, we'll take the right hand side. Okay, so let me write here right hand side, that will be equal to sine theta over 1 plus cos theta, like this. Okay, so now what we have to do, we'll just the rationalization form. This is not the basically rationalization, but we will just do 1 minus cos theta or 1 minus cos theta, like this. We'll just do this. Now sine theta will remain here, and then 1 minus cos theta, and add down, that's gonna be, when you see this, or when you see this question, as we have to know that on the left side, so there is half angle, so we have to go like this. No, let me erase this, and we'll do on the like this. As we know that here sine theta, right hand side, we will take sine theta over 1 plus cos theta, like this. Okay, so in sine, we know that sine 2 theta, that will be equal to 2 sine theta and cos theta. Yes, like this. As you will see that if I will put here sine theta, if I just remove, the angle become half. So here it become 2 sine theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. It's gonna half here also. Okay. So now when you see this on the down, it's given 1 plus cos theta. You know that the formula of simple cos theta, cos square theta, let me write here, or simple cos square theta, that will equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2, like this. Okay, so we have to find, when I will just make it half, so cos square theta by 2, that's gonna be 1 plus, here it becomes single angle. Okay, like this. So 2 will multiply on the other side. 2 cos square theta by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos theta. So this formula we are using over here now, and for the first for the numerator we will use these two formulas. How these come, I told. So now as we have to move here half angle, so for this it is necessary. So 2 sine theta by 2 and then cos theta by 2, like this. Let me write here, and then when you see the next 1 plus cos theta, then 2 cos square theta by 2. So I hope you understand. 2 will be cancelled out and cos will cancel with 1 cos. So the remaining will be sine theta by 2, and add down cos theta by 2. So sine theta by 2 and cos theta by 2, that will be tan theta by 2. So that will be equal to left hand side. So I hope all the students understand how we solve that question. So the next question you will see on the next video. So until that, you can ask any question on the comment section.